Hello, my friends. Greetings. It's Andrea here, and I would like to talk about the upcoming week, November 13th, November 19th. I am sure a lot of people are curious what will happen, and we had an amazing price action, amazing steam. Since longer, this was not the case, of course, aspects are important, but stars would really tell more about the magnitude. I think a lot of it is due to the fact that both Sun and Mars are near the Yogatara of the Vishaka Nakshatra, and we can expect powerful developments next week as well, especially in the first part of the week when the influence is stronger. So let's dive into the next week. Again, it's the market influence. What do we have at market level for the week? These are the influences which are valid for everyone in the sky, so to speak. We do have, first of all, the nakshatra of Vishaka still strongly activated, as we mentioned, especially in the first part of the week. But as you can see, we do have some bad weather on the 13th. So first of all, we do have already from the 11th of November, the rainy weather. Yes, it's on a weekend on Saturday, but you remember I warned you about this Mars-Uranus opposition. And then what will happen on the 13th? We have the new moon, as you can see here, and we do have also a storm there. So it's a Sun-Uranus opposition this time, and also a square between Mercury and the Black Moon Lilith. Mercury being the sign of trading of markets in general, and it's a tensioned aspect, so it's negative. We do have also a bearish hourly influence during the day. Again, this is at market level. So this doesn't look too good, but I would really interpret it in terms of fluctuations. So in general, bearish, but we see that it goes up and down like crazy. The steam will still be there, and the moves up will still be strong, I think, especially in the days when you have also good astrological influences in the market, but now it depends also on the asset itself. Now, we do have the 15th with the cloud and the sun. So observe that. It's like a good weather, isn't it? It's not the strongest possible because the cloud is bigger, but it's a sextile between Mercury and Venus, which is good because Mercury is trading, Venus is cryptocurrency currency. So this means that there is benevolence around the sector, so to speak. So we can expect some, increases in prices. Then on the 17th, we do have, even better news because Mars and Sun would trine Neptune, but this can also go into a bubble, into increased expectations that will not really last for long. You see the positive fire this time. This is at hourly level during the day in the market. I would say it's mixed. We will have a peak nevertheless on the day, around the day, and we can even, go into new highs. I think this will happen, to be honest. I don't know, I don't dare to say 40K for Bitcoin, but we need to look at the aspect as well. So this is again about the markets. So the potential exists now. And on the 18th, we do have, again, stormy weather. It's the Mars-Sun conjunction, which is very seldom. It's a new cycle for Bitcoin, to be honest. And I will analyze it in a video, so stay tuned for that. It will be published during the week, and you have the opportunity to see what we can expect, because this will be quite eventful, I would say, due to the fact that the next one takes place in 2055. So stay tuned for that. And now on the 19th, we do have also a negative fire. So it's again volatile and we might have drops, but again, 18th and 19th are Saturday and Sunday, as you can see. So depending on the transaction volume, we might feel the magnitude then, or we will feel it in the next week. And I would say that the influence of the, stars that I mentioned for the Vishaka Nakshatra in regards to the Sun and Mars transits will be less and lesser. So we need to take that into account. But this will be really a very strong event on the 18th, the Mars-Sun conjunction. More details to come during the week. Thank you for your attention. I would like to stop the screen sharing and also to tell you that this is, again, the weather forecast. So sometimes it will really apply on Bitcoin, like it's a complete match. Sometimes it will be different. And why I say that, because this influence of the planets in the market will translate itself on the natal chart of the financial asset, like for a human being. So it will tell you a part of the story. I don't say it's not helpful. It is, especially for longer term investment. It is for sure. But if you want to go deeper, into a specific asset, then it's good, to have the specific asset forecast in mind. And of course, I would advertise Patreon here. Subscriptions are available for both tiers. You will get a similar video each week with explanations and what are really the transits pertaining to Bitcoin, Ethereum in the week in detail, and also the fires on the Bitcoin itself, because I think this will be really market relevant. And sometimes they coincide with the market fire, sometimes they don't. But it's also a good way, to foresee what would be the move. So imagine like we have the weather and we have Bitcoin, and let's talk about the, fashion style of Bitcoin. So let's say we have stormy weather, but Bitcoin goes out in a swimsuit or naked. Then if we see this fashion style in the personal horoscope, then it would be bad. It would be actually much worse than what the market says. Still, there is convergence with the market. It could be another day where, for example, outside it's pretty hot, so you see this nice sun, and we are very hopeful that it will skyrocket, and we have also the positive fire. But then you see a deep red on the Bitcoin chart. Let's say that Bitcoin is now really dressed up in a fur coat, and it's quite hot, and then it will be a lot of sweat there, so it would be uncomfortable. And then, yes, I mean, the market forecast looks very good and it's sunny, but you get really a bad result on a financial asset level. And yes, I think since this dominates really the market, it would be relevant to know. So you are very welcome to join if you are curious about that. And again, I want to remind you on the fact that if you join, you will have after 4 months, so this is really, you will get for free the whole forecast for Bitcoin for 2024 in case you join the silver tier. And for the gold tier members, you will get Ethereum as well. Thank you for your attention. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. And until next time, be joyful.